Hello friends, our today's subject is English grammar and our topic is tenses. Now we are studying the present tense. In the previous videos we completed simple present tense and present continuous tense, and I hope you have revised both the tenses. And today we are going to learn present perfect tense. Now present perfect tense. Now when we use present perfect tense, so when an action that has been completed the immediate past, कोई भी एक्शन जो अभी तुरंत ही कंप्लीट हुई हो, इसे इंडिकेट करने के लिए प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव जस्ट फिनिश्ड माई लंच. मैंने अभी अभी मेरा लंच फिनिश किया. लंच करने की जो एक्शन है, जो क्रिया है, वो अभी अभी खत्म हुई है, अभी अभी वो क्रिया पूरी हुई है. तो इसे इंडिकेट करने के लिए प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज किया जाता है. राइट, आई हैव जस्ट फिनिश्ड माई लंच. जस्ट इज द सजेस्टिव वर्ड फॉर द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. राइट, एंड व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस? सब्जेक्ट plus has or have, subject plus has or have according to subject, and then past participle. Right, what is the formation of the present perfect tense? Subject plus has or have plus past participle plus other words. Now in the present perfect tense you have to remember this formation: subject, has, have plus past participle, the action that has completed just now. Right, okay. Now the another point which indicate the present perfect tense is, now all these points you have to write in your notebook with proper handwriting. Okay, this is the second point, that when we use the present perfect tense as a past action for which the time has been indicated. For the past action, for example, Rani has travelled all over the world. रानी ने पूरी दुनिया की ट्रैवलिंग कर ली है, उसने ट्रैवल कर लिया है. राइट, पूरी दुनिया में वो घूम चुकी है, उसकी घूमने की जो एक्शन है वो कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. तो ये इंडिकेट करने के लिए भी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज किया जाता है, अ पास्ट एक्शन फॉर विच द टाइम हैज बीन इंडिकेटेड. नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट इज, and now the third point, when the present perfect tense is used to express a past action, to express a past action when the effect is thought more of in the present. past action है कोई भी और उसकी इफेक्ट अभी प्रेजेंट में है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाई इज योर आर्म इन प्लास्टर? तुम्हारे हाथ में प्लास्टर क्यों बंधा हुआ है? तो आई हैव ब्रोकन इट, क्योंकि वो टूट गया है, टूटने की क्रिया कंप्लीट हो चुकी है, वो ऑलरेडी टूट गया है. राइट, सो दिस सेंटेंस एक्सप्रेस अ पास्ट एक्शन. राइट, हिज आर्म हैज ऑलरेडी ब्रोकन, एंड when the effect is thought more of in the present, वो टूट गया है और अभी भी उसके हाथों में प्लास्टर लगा है. राइट, okay. Now here the formation of the present perfect tense, as I told you that what is the formation? A subject plus has or have according to the subject, and then past participle. Here the positive sentence, when the subject is I, we, you and they, or any plural noun, we have to use have. Have plus past participle. Have lost. I have lost the match. मैं मैच हार गया. हारने की क्रिया पूर्ण हो चुकी है. राइट, वो हार गया है ऑलरेडी. तो I have lost the match. We have lost the match. You have lost the match, or they have lost the match. When the subject I, we, you, they, we have to use have plus past participle. participle, and when the subject is he, she or it or any singular noun, we have to use has plus past participle, right? This point you have to remember in the present perfect tense. Have or has, the difference between have or has, when we have to use have and when we have to use has. Okay, now in the negative sentence, we have to add not after have or has. Right? In the negative sentence, we have to use not after have or has. Right? We can also use the short form as haven't or hasn't. Right? And the formative of interrogative sentence in the present perfect tense is, have you lost the match? Has he lost the match? We have to change the place of helping verb and subject. First we have to write have and then subject and the past participle form. Right? Have you lost the match? Has he lost the match? That you have to remember the formation of the positive, negative and interrogative sentences of the present perfect tense. Now there are some suggestive words which shows the present perfect tense, right? Which shows the action is completed. There is just now, ever, never, already, yet. These are the suggestive words and they suggest the present perfect tense. Let's solve the exercise of present perfect tense, right? First is I blank just blank my work. Here the root verb is given finish, right? And we have to put the proper form of verb of the present perfect tense. Now what is the formation of present perfect tense? Has, have plus past participle. So here the subject is I. So which helping verb we have to use? Has or have? Yes, I have. I have just finished. What is the past participle of finish? Finished, because it is the regular verb, right? Finished. So the past and past participle of this form are same. I have just finished my work. मैंने अभी मेरा work finish किया. The action has completed here, right? Bhairavi blank already blank music. Here the verb is given learn, right? So what is the answer here? Bhairavi is a girl and is a singular noun, right? So we have to use has or have? Has. Very good. Bhairavi has already. What is the past participle of learn? Learned. Learnt. Bhairavi has already learnt music. उसने music सीख लिया है, right? So it shows the complete action, right? To show the complete action, we use present perfect tense. Let's see more examples. Okay, let's see the third example. Darshan blank already blank this film. See, the root verb is see. Okay, now what is the answer? Darshan ने film देख ली है, right? तो Darshan here, what is the answer? Has or have? Yes, Darshan is a boy, singular noun, so we have to use here has. Darshan has already. What is the past participle of see? It is seen. So the answer is Darshan has already seen these film. Now next, I blank my homework just now. Whenever I ask you that have you done your homework, you say yes madam, I have done my homework. or if you don't have, you say that madam I have not done my homework, right? जब भी मैं आपको पूछती हूँ कि आपने क्या होमवर्क कर लिया, पूरा कर लिया, राइट? तो आप कहते हैं हाँ मैडम मैंने कर लिया, आई हैव डन माई वर्क। एंड और जो जब आपने नहीं किया हो तो आप लोग क्या कहते हो? नो मैडम आई हैव नॉट डन माई होमवर्क, राइट? सो हियर द सेंटेंस इज आई ब्लैंक माई होमवर्क जस्ट नाउ, मैंने अभी अभी मेरा होमवर्क पूर्ण किया, राइट? And here the root verb is do. So what is the answer? Here the subject is I. So we have to write the helping verb have. I have. What is the past participle of do? It is done. I have done my homework just now. उसका homework पूरा हो गया है, right? So have done. Now next is interrogative sentence. Blank you ever blank grapes. Here the root verb is taste, right? And interrogative sentence. So we have to use the helping verb first. Here you is subject. So which helping verb will be used here? Has or have? You have. So here we will use have. Have you ever? What is the past participle of taste? Tasted. T-A-S-T-E-D. Tasted. Have you ever tasted grapes? Okay, this is the answer. I hope you have understood this topic very well. Okay, you have to write all these points and this exercise in your notebook with good handwriting. Now our session has completed here. हमारा सेशन यहाँ पे पूरा हो गया है. Action has completed. So what I speak? Our session has completed here. Okay. Now we will continue in the next session. Till then, thank you.